Now I'm standing in front of Pangong Lake. That is a very beautiful lake, color changing lake. We took a 7 days Ladakh package from Vacation Triangle. We reached Ladakh on 13th. We took 8 days package that will finish on 20th. We will leave from here. We will leave from Ladakh airport to Delhi on 20th. We saw the second highest motorable road in the world, Kardalenga Pass. We also saw so many passes, grass, everything was very fine. Anyway, we enjoyed the trip. We thank you, Mr. Karan and Miss Chemba from Vacation Triangle for arranging this nice tour package. Thank you.